The federal trial of a Chicago police officer who shot 16 times into a car full of teens, hitting 2 of them, got underway today. CBS 2's Mai Martinez was in court for opening statements.
This dashcam video is a key piece of evidence in the federal case against Officer Marco Proano. That's Proano there with his gun drawn after responding to a call for help from fellow officers in pursuit of a possible stolen car on December 27, 2013. As the car full of teens reversed, Proano opened fire on it, emptying his clip of 16 bullets. 2 of the teens were hit. In court, prosecutors called Proano's actions unreasonable and excessive, but Proano's attorney, Dan Herbert, said Proano did what he was trained to do and questioned how the government could pursue a case against the officer after the feds have been critical of training by the Chicago Police Department. Herbert went on to say the shooting took about 3 seconds and Proano fired because he feared for his safety and the safety of one of the passengers who he thought was being dragged by the car. Herbert also showed the jury a BB gun that looks like a real gun and said a similar firearm fell out of the car as one of the teens tried to flee. Proano was suspended without pay after he was indicted last year. He and his attorney left the courthouse without talking to the media. The trial is scheduled to resume at 9:40 tomorrow morning. Among the witnesses the government is expected to call, one of the teens shot by Proano. Reporting from the Dirksen Federal Building, Mai Martinez, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Mai.